What does it mean beyond the scope of even abortion if the court decides that there is, in fact, no right to privacy in the Constitution?
It's a great point. The Supreme Court has safeguarded many liberties under the right to privacy: the right to marry, the right to procreate, the right to custody one's children, the right to keep the family together, the right of parents to control the upbringing of their children, the right to purchase and use contraceptives, the right of competent adults to refuse even life-saving medical treatment, the right of consenting adults to engage in same-sex sexual activity. If you follow the reasoning from Justice Alito's draft opinion, then none of these rights would be protected by the Constitution. It seems hard to believe the court could pull this thread without unraveling the whole fabric of constitutional protection of privacy.
Founder of the Civil Rights Corps said that this draft could create a scenario in which Republicans could pass a nationwide ban on abortion in 2024, as well as make contraceptives and the like illegal if the issue is kicked to Congress. Now, my understanding is this will, the first thing this will do is really turn the issue back to the states. And then my understanding is that there's a number of states that already have something in place that the second Roe v. Wade is overturned, those states will prohibit abortion. And I guess that would be the fear that they could theoretically go further. So that's right. That's what would happen at the state level rather than at the level of the entire nation.
You're absolutely right. What this decision, if it comes down, would say is that the issue of abortion is left to the political process. Initially, that will mean that it's up to each state. There are states that already have laws on the books that prohibit all or almost all abortion. And there are states that have laws on the books that say if Roe is ever ruled, then abortion will become illegal. I'd estimate that over half the states will prohibit all or almost all abortions. But other states, like California, New York, and Connecticut, will continue to allow abortions. But I predict in states that prohibit abortion, they'll quickly adopt laws trying to make it a crime for a woman to leave the state for an abortion. They'll try to prohibit methods of contraception, like the IUD or the morning after pill, that act after conception. But something else you said at the beginning is also right. Congress could try to pass a law with a Democratic Congress to create a national right to abortion, or the Republican Congress to prohibit all abortions. And then the question will be, would the Democrats or the Republicans be willing to change the filibuster rules to adopt such a bill?